Welcome back to Cars. Today we're going to be doing a couple of simple and cheap mods to the front end of my MR2. For everybody that watched everything that was wrong with it, we're going to be changing out a few of the things that I didn't like from that video. But yeah, let's do it. The first mod we're doing today is the indicators because they are not the nicest. So we're going to change them out. Thing. I'm gonna hold this quickly.
Wow, it's like Chris Fix video now. Hey guys, Chris Fix here. I've done it. Yeah, I said wiggle. Wow, it's got a burnt out bulb in it.
Sick.
Jeez.
The second mod we're going to do today is we're going to change out this number plate with the cracks on it. We're going to put a JDM one down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So those are two simple, cheap front-end mods. I think they've really improved the way the car looks, apart from this bit, but don't look at that. I've been James at Cars. If you like this and you want to watch everything that's wrong with this car, if you haven't already seen it, click the video somewhere on the screen. Please like and subscribe. In a bit. And then drop it.